For the amines, this is the only one of three that I'd like you to make sure you know the functional groups for. So that's amino groups. It's quite similar. The other one is hydroxyl and carboxy for carboxylic acids and alcohols hydroxy. And the rest, according to your mark schemes, and this is for IB as well as ATAR, you should be able to use the homologous name as the functional group name. Okay, now the amines are a bit of a nightmare because even the university chemistry websites get confused. Some even get confused about what's UPAC and what's not. So I have logged on to the UPAC databases. I've looked at many different websites. Your Oxford annoyingly doesn't really give examples, and your Pearson goes mainly in this direction, just dropping the E and adding amine. The UPACR seems to go for amino ethane, but what counts is your test mark scheme. So I was going over the test mark schemes for the last 3 years and done word searches, and this is the only one that comes up. And so we're definitely doing it this way. Although you will see the ul amines everywhere, some even claiming that's the proper way to do it. And some even claiming that that's the UPAC way to do it. But we're going to go with Pearson. That's probably the safest way as far as your test is concerned. And even safer is the past mark schemes and what they've done. The past chemistry mark schemes have gone for this as well. So just drop the E off and add amine to it. There are a few sort of exceptions when you start doing the ditri. There seems to be a consistency on going back to the uls, and this one just seems the simpler way to do it. So if there is an amine and then instead of having the H2, there's a group coming off it, you just say it's at N. Hopefully the mark schemes will be a little bit more open as far as organic naming because of what's going on out there. You need to recognize that's a phenyl group as well. So phenylamine is how I would recommend writing that one. Hopefully, if they put that in there, they'll accept whatever variations can occur with naming amines.